COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the novel severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. It has developed into a global pandemic over a course of few months, disrupting modern society on a large scale that most of the people in the world have never witnessed in their lifetimes. With the immense effort, rapid developments have been done by the biologists and the biomedical scientists to understand the biological responses against the viral infection, including detection of the virus, gene sequencing, determining protein structures, personal preventive measures including chemical protective measures such as soap water, bleach solution, alcohol-based hand sanitizer, and hydrogen peroxide have been conceptualized and prepared to destroy the virus. Advancement of various testing tools, antiviral drugs, vaccines, and other medical involvements are being developed in a fast-paced manner. Chemistry, especially biochemistry, has responded quickly to this global pandemic. Biochemists help us to understand the structure of this virus better. The transmission electron microscopic image of SARS-CoV-2 inside a cell displays spherical viral type particles that are colorized in blue. The virus comprises of three basic building blocks: a single-stranded RNA genome, viral membrane composed of lipid bilayer, and surface protein. Many in the chemistry community are making their contribution to the global fight against the coronavirus by staying safely at home. Many of those will be able to work from home, and many others, often those designated as key works by the government, are going to their office labs and other workplaces to carry essential work. In the wake of the novel coronavirus pandemic, chemists have focused on searching for drugs to treat COVID-19. One group identified the antiviral drug remdesivir as a viable medicine to treat COVID-19 in a research study published in late January. The drug was originally developed in response to the 2014 Ebola pandemic. Now, after discussing the contribution of chemistry in drug development, we will now look forward to the contribution of chemistry in the precautions we take. First one is, much has been made of the need to wash your hand to destroy COVID-19 virus. This is because soap is a surface active agent like the lipids which make up the protective covering of the virus, only stronger. It disrupts the lipid layer and leaves the content open to the environment. This usually destroys the RNA of the virus. Second is, why is alcohol used in hand sanitizer? Above a certain percentage in a mixture with water, alcohol can disrupt the lipid layer, but it also denatures the proteins by disrupting the hydrogen bonding, which gives them their specific shape and so renders them ineffective. Last but not the least, that is COVID-19 vaccine, which saved 1 billion population in this world. So I want to conclude that chemistry plays a very important part in our life. Without chemistry, we cannot make these vaccines and we cannot able to determine that how we need to take the precaution.